In this video, we will take a high-level overview of the teacher's dashboard. Many of the features that you will see are explained in much greater detail in their own instructional video. For now, let's begin the high-level overview. On the top right, you will see an icon of a person. If you click on that icon, you will see your name, email address, organization code, and logout button. You can also click on the icon to add your photo. On the left-hand side, you will see classes, instructors, students, and the help pages. Let's begin with the classes page. On the classes page, you will see all the classes that you have been assigned or that you have created. We will return to this in a minute. For now, let's click on the instructors page. On the instructors page, you will see all the instructors that you are in charge of. If you are not an admin, you will only see your own name. For the students page, you will see all the students enrolled in your classes. And for the help icon, you will see all the instructional videos that are available to you. Let's go through the information for each class. Starting on the left side, you have the name of the class. You can click on any one of these headers to sort. Continuing to the right, you have the class code, then you have the number of assignments, and you have the number of students enrolled in that given class. You have the status of the class, the instructor assigned to that class, and the start and end date. When the current date is in between the start and end date, then the status is active. Otherwise, it will be not active. On the far right, you will see 3 vertical dots. This is a contextualized menu with additional features. For example, you will see edit, copy, and remove. On other pages, these 3 vertical dots may hold different features. If you roll the cursor over the classes, you will see the color change. That indicates that it is a clickable row and that you can enter that row. Let's do that now. Let's enter the business class. When we enter the business class, the first thing you will notice at the top left is the name of the class code, and the teacher's name. Then you have 4 tabs: assignments, grades, instructors, and students. The assignments tab will list all the assignments that have been created for that given class. The grades tab will list all the students and their scores for that given assignment. The instructors tab will list the instructor assigned to that class. And the students tab will list all the students enrolled in that class. Again, enrolling students and additional features will be covered in their own videos. Let's return back to the assignments tab. Note on the far right that you have additional features in the 3 vertical dots. In this case, we have view, edit, and remove. So we can add new assignments with the add new assignment button, and the details of that will be covered in its own instructional video. For now, let's click on the assignment called Week 2 and see what we get. Now this is where all the action happens. This is where you will check the progress for your students. We have the student list and all of their metrics. We have their progress, score, and time. In summary form, we have that for each lesson, and we have that for activity details. There is a lot of information on these pages, and we will go through exactly what that means in its own video. For now, let's note that in the summary tab, there is a summary column, and if we look at the score, that will be the proxy for their ability. You can sort by any one of these columns by clicking on the header name, and you can see the score that they got for this assignment. Let's return back to the assignments page. Note that there are 3 assignments called Week 2, Week 3, and Week 5. If we go to the Grades tab, this page is a global page that will give the score value for that given assignment and the average score for all of the assignments. You can exclude a specific assignment if you like, and that value will not be included in the average score calculation. There is a lot of information on the teacher's dashboard, and there are many things you can do. For example, create new classes, creating assignments, enrolling students, checking their grades, downloading CSV file of those grades, and more. So, for each one of those tasks, check its respective help video.